Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a group on Snapchat. First, you will need to open the app. Once you have opened the app, you are going to tap on Chats. That would be the second icon in the bottom left-hand corner, right where you see the blue dot. Then you are going to tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right-hand corner. And from here you will see the option New Group. You are going to tap on that. Then you can add the group name, for example Tess. After adding the group name, you can select the friends that you would like to add. And you can scroll down and you can add more persons if you like. And once you are finished, you'll simply tap on Chat with Group. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.